Alrighty guys, thanks for tuning in again to another great episode, and today we're going to start on the carpet install on the General. Just keep watching. Alright, yeah, so as you can see here, we got some nice brand new carpet. See if I can get this pulled out here. Alright, and as you can see on the box here, this came from Auto Custom Carpets Incorporated, ACC, and check that out. Proudly made in the USA, employee owned and operated. So that's definitely the kind of business I like to give. It's got the nice insulated padding on the back, and it's molded, of course. So let me get it all spread out here, and then I'll bring y'all back so y'all can see what it looks like. Alright, so just getting it laid out here. We got a lot to adjust here. I'm going to see if I can set y'all up over there and see if y'all can see inside. Let me get y'all all fine-tuned here. Alright, so we kind of knew this was going to happen, but I'm going to have to do a little bit of trimming and cutting, of course. This piece here needs to be like closer up there to where the brake pedal is, because that's kind of where your foot's supposed to ride so you don't wear out the carpet. So yeah, you can see how much further I need to go up. So yeah, once we do that, and then we'll have to trim some around here for the trim to go on. So, and on top of that, try to keep it as straight as possible. So let's see if I can set y'all up back here so y'all can see what's going on. so we got that fitted really good. You'll notice it's kind of molded right here for this hump. So that's where that's supposed to go. I'll work on this other side over here. Alright, so we got both humps located. Probably what I'm going to go ahead and do next is find the bolts or the holes, those studs for the seats, and put the holes here, get the seats in, so that'll kind of hold it from moving around. And then I can trim this access without it really me moving it one way or the other and cutting it off unflush. But yeah, this is going to be nice. Alright, let's see if we can locate these seat studs very carefully. Alright, so you can see we started that there. And we're going to work our way right up there. Alright, as you can see here, we got seat mounted in there, and I actually got in from Amazon these seat covers. So we're going to put one of those on here and see how she looks. And then we'll roll on with, you can see here we trimmed the carpet up through there. We got the trim on here. And we'll be able to start rolling on to that side over there. Alright, so we somewhat got the seat cover on. I mean, it's super thin stuff, so I can see it not lasting very long. But it'll work for now till I get something a little bit better. So we're going to move on over to the other side now. Alright, So we got that side over there all trimmed up. We're all trimmed up under here. We got the studs there for the other seat. We are trimmed up and ready to roll. So I'm going to pull her out and put that other seat in, and then we'll finish off the video with the final reveal here. And then I'm going to get some floor mats to go in here so I can keep that stuff pretty clean. Look how you can see that glitter. This 4K.